Hey guys, I'm going to talk to y'all today a little bit about artichoke. I got this seed from rareseeds.com or Bigger Creek Heirloom Seeds. It grew very well, even in kind of like the worst conditions in the summer when we were sprouting it, but it survived. Even the ones that we planted survived kind of no problem. As long as it had water and a little bit of food, it was doing good and thriving. So we planted some of these kind of early and kind of late at the tail end of fall. And so they still managed to keep growing, and all we had to do was fertilize them with just some liquid fertilizer. I want to mention these plants because they do so well in both the extremes here in the RGV. This past winter we actually had snow, and it was kind of a surprise, and I was anxious to see what plants were going to make it, or like which ones were going to really withstand the cold and even thrive in it. And this artichoke probably performed the best out of a lot of them. Leathery, almost rubbery texture to it, and this film, you can see that it kind of just peels off. I wonder if that like really helps it protect it or insulate it or something from the cold, but yeah, I thought like it might have a little bit of damage, but it really pulled through and came on really strong. Look at the size also. That's maybe like, I don't know, like 3.5 feet wide. So it can really fill in an area or a landscape too if you just need some kind of perennial, biennial plant that can produce food, create habitat. Just like all this space under here just for shading the ground and making sure that the soil is protected, and little critters can run around and hide and stuff. It's very beautiful, very elegant plant, and it will produce stalks and flowers that will not only please the eye and please the senses, but will attract bees and be a source of pollen or nectar. So in conclusion, artichoke is a really great plant for the RGV. It seems to really take to the soil. Just with a little bit of liquid fertilizer, you can plant it pretty much any time of the year, and it's gonna grow and it's gonna make it through the winter no problem here. And I think no problem during the summer either.
Bobby, you like snow? He's just eating it off the branch.